Hi guys, maximf.com here. Today I'm gonna discuss the difference between Spotify and YouTube Music because I recently had to choose between one of the two and I thought maybe someone else would be interested in the comparison. So first I'm gonna tell you I've used Spotify for many years in the past because I did not need Spotify in the first place. I would listen my music with the MP3 music player on my PC. I had my own music that I would download, but I had a colleague that had a family thing with Spotify, and he offered me to join his family. So I accepted, and I've tried Spotify. I was not expecting it to last too long. I thought they would find out, but it lasted many years up until recently, where they banned. They found out, and I still have my account, but they removed me from his family because of course, I don't live at the same address from my colleague. So I really liked Spotify in the first place. I didn't like that I don't own the music and I need an internet connection. But I found out that I don't absolutely need that internet connection. I can download the files. But anyways, what I like the most about Spotify is that I find out that it's very easy to find new musics that you like. So let's say you make a playlist like I made this one, and at the end of it, Spotify suggests some songs, and I ended up finding that what Spotify offered me really is good. Uh, Spotify is really good at suggesting music that you will probably likely like and that fit in your playlist. So that's the thing that I like. But yeah, so I had to choose between Spotify now and YouTube Music because I have to pay my own subscriptions. So so basically I don't if tried YouTube Music now for a couple weeks, and I don't hear with my ear, which I'm not a music specialist, but I don't really hear a difference between Spotify and YouTube in terms of raw quality. Spotify is offering 320 kilobits per second with the OGG Vorbis codecs, while Spotify while YouTube Music is offering 256 kilobit per second using AAC codecs. Spotify is offering more kilobits per second, while YouTube less, but YouTube is using a more efficient codecs. So in terms of quality, it's probably about the same. I don't know if you guys see a difference. Let me know in the comment if you prefer one or the others. Personally, I don't see any difference. What I found is that some playlists that I had in Spotify, when I tried to transfer them into YouTube Music, I found out that some tracks are not available in YouTube Music. Like I think YouTube Music have less songs. In officially, Spotify have 82 million tracks, while YouTube Music have 80 million tracks, plus everything that is on YouTube is in YouTube Music, even the content made by the people that the user generated videos made on YouTube. So, but the little 2 millions ended up having an impact on the style of music that I like, I think, because a lot of songs that I like were not on YouTube Music, but that's no big deal. Most of them are still there. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys like. Honestly, I found out that YouTube is YouTube Music more difficulty with categorizing the type of music that I like, and sometimes if I make a playlist, YouTube will suggest music sometimes that are kind of out of kind of off the sight with the type of music that this is. Also with Spotify, what I like is that Spotify makes albums that you might like. Like every week I have a couple albums that Spotify think that I might like. But on YouTube, he does this too, but these albums really are have weird mix, if I can say that. Really have weird mix. So in the end, I ended up going with YouTube Music because the reason is I pay for YouTube Premium Family, so not all my family have ads in their tablets and cell phone and everything, and it's included. So all my family have YouTube Music and YouTube Premium. So that does not make sense for me to pay for Spotify because it's included in YouTube Premium. But if it was not for that, I would probably go with Spotify because I think it's better at a couple things. And also something that I can mention is that there is a specific Windows apps for Spotify, and there is no apps for YouTube Music. But for me, it doesn't change anything because with your web browser these days, you can just use it as a web app, install the web app. So basically you just go on YouTube Music, and right there you will have the options to install the application on your PC. So it acts like a real application, so that's no big deal for me. So let me know what you guys think. Personally, I like both. Both do the jobs, but like I said, Spotify I think is a bit better for some things, but the offering with YouTube Premium is hard to beat. All right, have a good day, guys.